It is a super treat to share eco-foodie, sustainability, wellness, protect the animals that are trapped on factory farms, reduce the manure runoff, and it's Farm Animal Protection Day here in Ohio City.
Symbols
And get this, we got this.
originally it was.
I got my banner. We got folks with more banners. We got flyers and free protein bars.
Yeah.
Clean up. Cleanupcargill. Close down the factory farms. Support the farm animals today. Relieve their suffering. So here's a great opportunity. Support sustainable agriculture. Call out Cargill with the germaphobes against superbugs that need to clean up our aquatic dead zones. We're gonna get all the sustainability greenwashing restaurants in Ohio City to agree.